Hello and welcome to Sauras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from test of mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for different I.S.I entrances. Okay, so let's get into the problem. Consider the function ft is equals to e to the power minus 1 by t, where t is a positive variable. Okay. Now, let for each positive integer small n, Pn be the polynomial such that dn dtn ft is equals to Pn 1 by t to the power minus 1 by t for all t greater than 0. Now we have to show that Pn plus 1x equals to x squared bracket Pnx minus ddx Pnx. Okay, so let's try to prove this statement. Here we are given ft is equals to e to the power minus 1 by t, where t is greater than 0. Okay, here ft is equals to e to the power minus 1 by t, where t is greater than 0. And given that dn dtn ft is equals to Pn 1 by t e to the power minus 1 by t, where t is strictly positive. Now differentiating with respect to t, we get with respect to t we get dn plus 1 dtn plus 1 if t is equals to ddt pn 1 by t multiplied by e to the power minus 1 by t plus e to the power minus 1 by t 1 by t square multiplied by p 1 by t. Okay, now Pn plus 1 by t, we can write dn plus 1 dn plus 1 dtn plus 1 ft in this way, that is Pn plus 1 by t, and it is equals to e to the power 1 by t e to the power 1 by t, sorry, if we multiply e to the power minus 1 by t with dn plus 1 dtn plus 1 ft, then we get Pn plus 1 by t, which is equals to e to the power 1 by t dn plus 1 divided by dn plus 1 dtn plus 1 ft. Okay, now we already have the value of dn plus 1 dtn plus 1 ft, which is ddt Pn 1 by t multiplied by e to the power minus 1 by t plus e to the power minus 1 by t 1 by t square p1 by t. Okay, now if we multiply each of these term with e to the power 1 by t, we get d dt Pn 1 by t plus 1 by t square P Pn 1 by t. Okay. Now let 1 by t is equals to x. Hence we get Pn plus 1 x is equals to d dt Pnx plus x square Pnx. Okay. Therefore, Pn plus 1 x is equals to d dt Pnx plus x square Pnx. Now we can write d dt Pnx as d dx Pnx into dx dt plus x square Pnx. Now dx dt is equals to minus 1 by t square, which is minus x square. Therefore we get minus x square d dx Pnx plus x square Pnx. Okay. Now if we take x square as common, we get Pnx minus d dx Pnx. Okay. So this is the proof of the given statement. We have proved the statement, that is Pn plus 1x is equals to x square. In the curly braces we have Pnx minus d dx Pnx. So that's all for today. And we Sauras's classes provide different study material and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saurasclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.